Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 3516. Find the closest person. So here is given a position of person 1, 2, 3, which is XYZ. You have to find the closest person, okay? So if person 3 first, then return 1. If a person 1 arrive first, if person 2 arrive first, then you have to return the 2, and if both arrive at the same time, you have to return the 0. Okay, let's do this. Int dist1 equals to absolute of x minus z, which is the dist. Int dist2 is equals to absolute of y minus z, and you have to check the condition. If dist1 is less than dist2, then you just have to return 1, else if dist2 is less than dist1, then you just have to return the 2, and if both arrive at the same time, then you just have to return the 0. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.